I think what it is, I think it's gunpowder.
Oh, I wasn't taking before.
Do you take any video?
I'm taking now. I'm taking now.
Fireworks in Bournemouth.
Woohoo!
What's that?
Oh, Jenna, look at this thing. Look at the blimp.
There's no line attached.
Woohoo! Wow, that's cool.
Fireworks in Bournemouth are so cool.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Oh, did you see it?
That was nice. Yeah.
Are you sure you're videotaping?
I think so. Whoa.
And make sure you're videotaping.
I think I am. It says record, right?
Yeah, man, that is videotaping.
No, but before it wasn't. Woohoo! Well done. Clap, clap.
Whoa, that.
Okay, that's lame. Lame.
Let's really go down here. What is it? What is it? How did they make it? How did they get it so high? Okay.
Whoa. Woo. It's like a bomb or something. Whoa. Okay, now you're scaring us. Whoa. Nice. Whoa. Woo.
It's gonna go in the water.
That's really good.
Wait, so tell me, does this pollute the water?
Sorry?
Pollution.
No.
If you touch a real
Jenna Jad.
firework, will you die?
Jenna Jad. Jenna Jad. Jenna. Look at me. Oh.
Is that a real firework? Yes, it's a real firework.
Wow, that's really. Oh, wow. That's nice. Okay, that's not good. Police car in the middle of fireworks is not a good sound. And an ambulance. Okay. Somebody's caught on fire.
Somebody's called a fire.
Maybe. I don't know. No, probably not.
No, otherwise the police car would be heading
Whoa, that's really pretty.
around.
Wow, look at that. Now it's impressive. Woo! What do you guys think? Whoa. Whoa. Woo! Nice. Okay, that deserves a clap. Clap. Woo!
The billions of... Is that actually bonfire night?
Sorry?
It's a bonfire
Yeah, they
night.
just-
No, it's not bonfire. They do it every weekend in the summer. Because it's not bonfire. Bonfire night is in November.
Oh, yeah. Does bonfire night have more?
No, this is actually pretty good. Yeah, a bit more, but this is pretty good. Okay, I think it's done. Well done, Bournemouth.